It's mystery box time again. Nick Johnson sent me another box full of goodies, included in which were a couple of mysteries. One I'm not going to tell you about till the end of the year, which does actually leave two more. Those are what I'm looking at today. Come and see the fun and jollity as I open these live on camera, right here on Gary's Stuff. Hello there, I'm Gary. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. Today, indeed, is Mystery Box Day. Now, as I mentioned, Nick Johnson sends me kits now and again. I have no idea what he's going to send me until I get them, and then I open them. I open them on camera. When you see me open these things, that's the first time I see the kits as well. He won't tell me what they are. He occasionally gives me a little clues, but really doesn't tell me what's going on most of the time. And you get to see my excitement, I guess, at what he sends. He's got quite the gift for picking out the unusual and the bizarre. And if you've seen my channel before, you'll know I love the unusual and bizarre. If you like what you see, please do remember, give it the imperial thumbs up on the like button below, because every like counts. And if you haven't done so yet, please do subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, and you'll be notified of all my future videos as they are released, including the build videos of whatever it is Nick has just sent me. And of course, if you'd like to support the channel in any more concrete ways, you can do that through Super Thanks, by becoming a channel member, or by using any of my online affiliate programs. Let's not beat about the bush anymore. I can't put it off any longer. Let's see what Nick has sent me this time. Here we have the New York 1948 mystery box. So, has anyone got any clues? Because I haven't. The only thing I've seen with New York on it, other than, well, King Kong was 1930, so it won't be 1948. The only other thing I can think of is a beautiful piece of Rodin artwork once, but that was a flying boat of like a 30s flying boat wheeling over the top of the Empire State Building. So I have no idea to what young Nick is referring. But let's have a look. I'm doing it very gently because I don't want to hurt anything. Oh, I see something that looks vaguely Revel in here, which of course means it's probably something else along the way. Yes, I love a what if kit. Oh my goodness gracious me. What an amazing aeroplane. Arado 555 flying wing, 1/72 scale. Oh, this is going to be a lot of fun. This is going to be so much fun to do. Amazing, Nick. This is going to be incredible, mate. Thank you for that. I'm going to enjoy building this. And of course, the lovely thing about a what if thing is no one can argue with the markings because it didn't actually exist. Recessed panels, good. Cockpits, fine. Two gun positions, bomb bays. Yeah. Oh, that's hilarious. It's going to be so much fun to build. I love a what if kit. Amazing, Nick. Thanks, mate. The other mystery box I'm opening today is the Room with a View mystery box. I don't know if that means we're going to make a model of a hotel balcony in Florence. That's where Room with a View was set, wasn't it? Ian Forster movie, Room with a View. Do you remember it? I do remember it. Anyway, Well, the tailplane at least looks pretty conventional. Okay, that's pretty cool. The Fanera 2, named after the plywood it was made from, I think. 1930s, I think, with these glass houses on the side to reduce drag. Then a big old rotary engine at the front, only about 100 horsepower, but yeah, they flew. I think most of the structure was wooden, with the plywood covering, hence the name. These glazed passenger cabins gave you a bit less drag. The pilot had to sit to one side. So pilot's not sitting on the centre line, which is slightly odd. I think it carried maybe 4 passengers or something like that. Anyway, yeah, really interesting little model. I look forward to making that. I think that's going to look fun. There was another mystery package in the box, but this one I'll keep until Christmas time, as it says on here, Santa's updated sleigh, apparently. Nick, my breath is suitably baited, my friend. 2 very interesting kits, I think you'll agree. The Arado bomber, very much like the B2 of its day, I guess. Flying wing design, long range, strategic bomber. And that little weird aeroplane with the 2 transparent and the engine in the middle. It almost feels like a flying wing design in a way, although it's got a tailplane, I know, but that sort of blended wing body sort of feel is going on there. And this is way back in the day. I look forward to making both of them. I mean, the Micromere one comes with photo etch and paint masks, for goodness sakes. I mean, it's a really nice looking kit. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed the show. If you have, please remember, Imperial thumbs up on the like button below, if you'd be so kind. And if you haven't done so yet, please do subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, and you'll be notified of all my future videos as they're published, including the builds of both of these kits. In any case, thank you so very much for watching. Hope to see you soon. Take good care now, and goodbye.